Honey, I'm done.
You're done?
How do I look?
Whoa, you look creamy.
Yeah. Let's go.
Frosty cheesy. You wait just a minute.
Oh, babe. Let's go.
Well, I'm coming. 1 minute.
Also, they be Mimi, we are also my little complaining. And there my anytime, so you would rather now delay.
Maybe, train. Creamy, you look like takeaway.
Let's go.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Oh my God, you look cute.
Really? And how do I look too? Cheesy. Frosty cheesy.
Smashy. Thank you. How many times have I just made for sugar go me
Madam Patama for sugar and go me.
I didn't mean nyasa. Me name say sugar wa dem na sugar ni ade.
This is not the way you have to go about it.
Are you serious about this? Edi asemwa.
Come on. Please. Creamy.
I'm sorry.
Creamy, why? You're spoiling the day for me.
My sugar be bring good thing anymore.
Wife, it's hurting you, eh?
Yes, please.
It was hot. Sorry. Don't cry. I'll handle it. Okay?
Okay.
Why?
Pizza. Yes, ma, and then my mom pizza. Wouldn't soon ever be real. Yes,
And your madam now we share tea, she go me so.
It's madam now when you my red channel. Sister, also why anything?
O see me the sugar be a good tea. Meanwhile, me for sugar be and good tea. What time tea na shiening in a gume so.
No, mommy will cry.
O person say many man, Aden. O person say many.
Aden, now we have seen into no yes, Anna.
O person say many. O person say many. Then am I no? What did I do?
This woman, me name, and then no about soon, or china no town, and then they say maybe doing something so share and never be going. What is that? Who even does this?
Derek, unti pa na mi wo fie how? Unti na mi wa hang esa meko because they in what is this?
Oh. Mama, come on, here. Man down drain that Fembo Honina will be paying.
Derek, then now Kikasano.
Enye minti, enye sisi ya na okan se minti na o ha.
Me purchase wunti and I me wa because madam ye me bibia one na wo console me. One na wo console me inti na me wa ha. Na nyesa nka me free her dada me ye den wa ha. Me ye den wa ha.
Oh, ade na otisa. Ade na otubantisa. O sen komo too much. O komo nye me de to da o komo bi nye. Ade. What na akasisi ya se minti na wa nti no enti da bi se obi ade mbe ye nkwase adwuma wo fi nti se be console we no minti na agusu wa.
Derek.
Na nti wo say makoma bedi ho.
Derek, listen, I'm not ready for all this thing. Me get ready. Madam she me and a boy she me. Catch on say me. I'm tired of all these things. I'm tired. I can't deal with this thing again.
You can't be in this out and retreat. Unye hu hwe. And I so she ochina meko no de ba begu we ni no wa besu a kire me. Uma ya ni bi ya asem ye mobokra dodo. Aden. Who were happy because of me and after the they say Ange mbumi sana. So meko ni acid no de begu anim na wa ba wesu aba beka kire me chalo udim se nya minti na wo ha na beka bi akrokro ne sa ne ma de ajayo na makoma bedi wo ho ka madam ne boss na nka menu mienu ko bia anti asem wo fia ye for pe o ma duane ko abu menu wenden
Babe.
What?
What's wrong with you?
What is wrong with who?
What kind of attitude was that?
What attitude are you talking about?
What you just displayed there?
Did you just see what happened over there?
What happened?
Babe, who was the girl no mama the warning say I don't like sugar. Oh yeah, Johnny be the sugar boom. Oh yeah, see be the sugar boom. I say, Professor Kumi, what said that? Na me tiana. Instead of so be supporting me, no, no mum nechi rather. Really? Are you really my husband? Are you the man I married?
Why are you talking like this, my dear? Why? Look, two wrongs don't make a right. Even say show some attitude and now why be a henyempoa. Who that to boy? To the extent of pouring hot water on her? It could have been some disaster and that different issue, and that would have cost us, you and me.
It's what you na made no she was speaking back at me no where wana.
Me hui.
What's na hona o hye no make kasa no so ka bi.
When I feel say me madwin ye me say anka ube train the bad bedroom. Me aka.
Really?
Yes, that's not how a lady behaves. And besides, I mean, she apologized. And you didn't want to take it. And you went to the extent of doing what you did. Why, babe?
It's the biobesa na the biawaka sorry.
Oh.
The biobeka sorry na no oku make kakra. I said I don't like sugar. Simple.
Oh,
you don't put sugar in my tea.
My dear, for love's sake, you wait. I'll talk to her. I'm not supporting her. How can I do that? Beautiful, creamy, cheesy. Come on, let's go. You know I love you so much. Come on, let's go. Don't spoil the day for us. Come on.
I'm not happy about it.
No, but
okay.
Beautiful. Come on, let's go. You know?
I know that they're fine or they're not fine.
Oh, well, I don't think I'm looking good in there. But anyway, hi. Yes. Thank you. Lovely.
Come here. Did you clean here today?
Yes,
Have you cleaned here this morning?
Yes, I did this morning.
What is this?
Madam, I cleaned
What is
here
this
morning.
What is this? Ah! What? She said what? What's a watch your family so? What would you call so? What's a minute can say watch your family so?
I saw it. Mimipa.
Oh, and you won't say anything?
Why should that happen? What's the meaning of that? Why should you slap her?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Why are you crying? I don't know about tonight.
Enye madam.
I don't know why then.
Wapo masum.
Saying you why in the day?
Minimum po. O se me pepa dem ho. Nso ma pepa dem ho. Anopa we me sorry e. Ma ye adwuma sa ma pepa ho nyina. Na wabo masum. Boss cry shocked.
Now, mommy, we cry. Oh no, the other ba no. Oh, boss room. Saying.
Minimum.
Now that be doing right, no. What's up? Or no be boss room. Na boss sitting.
I'm boss still ho. Onu cry why shocked. Minim dia maye no.
Charlie, sad the oye and the bam so they are NFL because obe start abo body passing with here.
Akola na ya de na metian no ugina ya ka chem se me bona suma ye.
Oh, bonasum. I didn't know bonasum.
I don't even know the husband I got married to. Instead of you to support me, no support you on rather.
You know, I can't just say me support. See, as an American, what you did right now was unnecessary. Was unnecessary. Why should you slap her? Why? Doesn't she do all the work? What do you do in this house? What do you do?
Am I supposed to do something in this house? Why do we pay her? Am I supposed to do something in this house?
Oh, Mrs. Boakye. Mrs. Boakye. Take it easy. Come to me. I'm sorry. Come to me. Be calm, okay?
Unimibi. Enyeshi. Wa unim sende mati. Omo ho ahometi. Wa unim sende mati. Kawa koma to you. Mati. It's very good. Say obo so wan kashe.
Me then na me worker.
It's very good. It's very good to obo one kashe, one fee no one. It's very fine. Many boys go juma, many the back can want them. Because it can't start like this. So if you super no cold so now if a champions no the baby bam so me
talk to boss o and then in casa.
Just calm down.
And then in casa.
Sweetheart, Annie, boundary band now create you on Paris. Huh? America versus Canada, and Togo and Ghana.
Kumasi ni kejetia.
I don't know how I. Huh? Say now, but say try our in manner. Huh?
Since you decided to choose the maid over me, this is how we are going to live our life.
How did I choose the maid over you? Eh? You've not been treating the maid well. And I just try to calm you. I mean, talk to you. And no. And I was waiting at them.
Really?
Now, I want to say now, but say, Wally.
Anne, say, Anne, Ebewa.
Now, maybe Wally, no. Me this can buy there. Samoji.
Hey, and there's some Papa Naje. Me, I just get him.
Now, before G, no. Say, besides, say, young fowl mamma, now, no one's a thing.
Ah, that's how me pay until I'm just a fan.
And so, I said, don't pay me. Now, where's where?
That's how my area doesn't mean some impel. Me say, still, I are for. But since I want you to the maid over me, dear, say I never that's how.
Say I didn't.
Please leave me alone and sleep.
Beg your pardon. Debut, impini. Impini.
What? Don't try this with me.
I didn't know Wale. Say I'm Wale, me Wale. Pimbra, the guy said I was
Open.
Bra.
In my hand. Oh, stop.
So. That's okay. I'll drive myself today. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Just stay at home.
Okay, sir. Ready?
Yeah. Let me have the key.
Please, are you sure you want to drive?
Oh, yes. I have some things to do in the town. Take good care of the house, okay?
Okay, sir.
Why is that? I don't know.
I'm just happy.
Happy? For who?
Yeah. I'm happy about the family.
Happy for who?
Boss.
Boss is saying.
Some stress and a bushing. Nanya me shrap a pay say, Assam mano or bar no who fair or bar son no. A bushing bibia, a fee, bibia, you're okay. I am me fair. Sir.
Fair. You know, send your moti and say, you're actually a boy, bray, sunny future bay.
And I obi or babia dream say, Obinya or bema say. Na wenya efi kama enya bibia eyefe asenya omo ye edwuma ama no na me ehira no pa
yankopon de we hira omo na ade ba ko yankopon menim se omo ne no problem ontimi onim se omo ontimi wo oh yeah se papa no dey kan worry first wife ni buy and one wo na opamo no dey we nso ba na madam wo behwe so a wo no dey entokwa wiane anopane oni entokwa no
oh ti o we mi dream say ni mba wa brochi o
why ono ano
oni ba kumpo say
oh papa no ye good na maame na wa ba na dey oye dey na uhumi nso sesen
oh me dey feel oh we rade
the be great future family now who can be any
Irade ma papa yimba irade mi bompa ise irade mo ba kumpo
number mom na mpache say na me
o me dey fa wasem free no
the be ye ntimi ne ye
then
be hard working boy wa
we a hard working boy intine me dey there jai me
ko na ma me na ma be why kona but say papa ni ho ne dey onyaye ya
jai wa asem Oh my God, what is all this? Such a beautiful family and Omuniba. Irade, we dear dear Irade, Mimpai Bonnie say, Ubema boss, a baba coupe Irade sheme why, sheminti, sheme, na yema boss, say a baba kumpoa, Irade, faman mammy. Why? Boss, please, are you okay? You've been like this for hours.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Everything is okay.
Okay.
But I want you to know that baby, are okay.
Yeah.
Why? Problem be anyhow.
Yeah, matter.
But Chinopa.
Aye.
Namia Aduma is sorry Nopa. I have a couple of things to discuss with you.
Oh boss, Aden maye bibiana, sa maye bibia kana mempa ocho.
Dabi. Onye bibia. Anye bibia wasa usru. Ana bibisa. We don't have any problem. But we have some discussions too. Why?
Yo, Mate.
See, over to me, come.
That's it.
Okay.
Madam, good morning. Madam, good morning.
Oh, boss, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. Where is your madam?
Please, she left already.
Already?
Yes, please, is there anything I can do for you?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, alright.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Okay, boss.
Derek.
Yes, sir.
I know who, mommy.
Boss, what you mean, who know, opie? Now, Michiano crowd in Fimi.
Uchiano.
Because I want to many I'm swimming in Pesemi.
Cynthia, or Titimi. Or Titimi.
Boss, why in the BB?
I am BB. Eh? Minima diam niano.
No.
Nikasa, no aka. Nikaba kwa, no aka.
Now, I know I put the Asenka on the way, Yana. Yen so I can and so maybe
Ule tukani yango. Yes. Oh, no. I just left the office. Yeah, I just left the office. Oh, we can make it tomorrow. Okay? All right then. Tomorrow, okay.
Boss, me pacho say na madam wa packing most of her things na ko go guest room ho. Wan ko baby ah.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay. Derek.
Yes, sir.
Bra. Help her. Munko guest room. Mun pack bibia ya madam nyama na odi akugu ho. Mun pack ni nyina. Na mfa go dem back. Master bedroom. Na mun lock it down na mfa kinu mre.
Okay.
What?
Yeah. They are same. Yenkwe.
But you are packing your money.
What packing in here?
Pachan.
Near lucky.
Where should my packing in here?
Pachan.
You are lucky guest room.
Fucking man. Obano will be some say. Why not packing your man? Catch madam say. Me. And I mean, Odamo. Someone packing.
Pachu.
You can go.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
How big kwenye oba ba kwa mawale oni uso untimi uba de bia osole awaye hu I say I the Egyptian mommy I still love you but why hu say u de umbu bia nonsense.
Now yes, me catch us me pesa. Derek me pesa.
Unye romantic cry. You don't know romantic. Unye send we send ye ka send ye oti en ke. U also nim send ye di odo. Unim say me yesi also ultimi ye o then Derek.
Me pesa, don't do that to me again. Let this be your first and last. I don't like that.
Hey. Do me one mountain as I name my nyina ba no na. Okay, mama, let me ask you something. Is it really true that Madam Kawa relocate to guest room or no?
Na enye me ne wona kwosesa anyama ne e wo guest room ho no.
Eno mo de se me no na kwosesa e.
But then
you say my dream one I am trying to figure out what the problem could be. Osha boss boy juma on.
Hey Derek. Na me ye den hu. Me ni omo na e wo dem ho.
Wo be den hu. Se de bia asema me no wo fia me ka kire won no se yen branch it say ya hu so gina yo so yen yetimi e bo adwuma ma wo se ya bo adwuma na mo sikanti na mo didididi nkokora be se echi ame ka asem cho ame ka nyame anim ko wo ne madam me le mu papa me le mu aminyamu a but abo esika se boys kenti no o kan ni bibia na ame le mu pa ne mu kokko ba ku tuntum ba ku
na Derek asem we fa ho ben na nka ben ma de kokonsa e fa ho ben e fa ho ben
amenchewa de sa kasa we nyina akwese bia me di kokonsa nyina e ho ntia makacho say hwe madam any boss na nka me so me no mienu ni aye tutu ye fi enye mienu pene wo ha enye 4 pene wo ha madam ni boss na me no mienu a pinisu na jai sa ne mana ye nhwe de be oh
me pinisu say
aden
Oscar Woska.
Na in free baby and sing a co baby. Dear now, dear now.
Kona kope juma ebe ma oska bebre na afi bra na bepe oba. Uniska o bepe oba.
Inyeshi, odi ya kikandi ope chebe. Dear now we
Me hiti aduane ama boss.
We hiti ebi. Ntu de kwa komana na.
Derek, that's your food for today. We aduane a we di no what? What's that? Upesa akra dodo. If aduane.
Madam, wait here. Sorry, who you now check Accra?
I've been here for the past 10 minutes.
Sorry.
Now where then? Do you want to send me through? Want to send me through? What was I'm jagged now? Look at the time. Come out for a comfort chasing me. But the next time try me be I'll put down.
I don't blame you. I blame you. When you know my time, baby, I'm some kind of my. That's a small girl, like. And I'm a cop bunny be cry.
Good evening.
Hello, sweetheart. Baba. I don't know what you say. Go change your name and go to the come to me. Why?
Why not lock your guest room now? I'm talking to you.
It's me.
What?
Me I'm locked here. And you, what right have you got to move out of our bedroom?
Because I don't see myself as your wife.
Well, I see you as my wife. And I'll always remain your husband because we've been married for so many years now and you will remain my wife. Okay? From now on, never ever think you go into the guest room. Man obium, kino, malokuno, kino, minfama. Now, go and change yourself and get yourself to the dining table for us to eat. Come there.
Wow.
Yeah. Cheers.
I don't know when you my sir.
Charlie, some of Madame will say, one now, when you know, only the back aside because maybe I said, when I jam Chiani or bar, or you said, here, once I rough on no, and no, the Bible Bam to know. Obama seems saying, what bang, not me, yeah, me, baby, now the woman is so.
Yama Bako. Aboasu.
I said, I make a child now, no hair.
Nanga mingene. Na, asuka ba kuni ya bona u rapise. Na mi a magia.
Nenya una e ya wodi sumba me ho na me kokro no.
And a drew so ankasa.
Ko.
Aso trouble kuna ora pity say sa akodi esa no. Eh. Boy, yeah.
Yeah, food is ready, isn't it? Beautiful. Thank you.
Creamy.
All right, come on, let's see.
So, how's your heading?
Derek.
Yeah.
You may be an near my Madame Bayano. What to dear near ba, and I dear Maniano, when due.
And anything now why you moody. Now, but didn't know dear way so cock up for Pacamadia no mamma, dear Nicola, and so Pacamadia.
Derek, Dabby, untimasio. Boss, any madame ne da sorry. A bunny say I fine, a hammy.
Saying, say be over my palm one, baby.
Yeah, but me to me a
madam want to be my pamu. Be out
to me a pame.
Pamu, when I'm in the boss, you want him to come ID.
Unim dear only me.
And only me come so many bosses.
Unim come, madame ni boss.
For Koyan Kona Confrontation, Camedian, no mamma, Yanko.
Oh, Derek.
Oh, young Kona, me dear, come with them, Yanko. Oh, Enko. Sir, be the dear. Enko.
Yeah, the man is saying 20 billion. And that's what we are expecting, 20 billion. Yeah, 20 billion Ghana cedis. Yes. But did it tell you when the consignment will arrive? So tell them to hurry up with the consignment, okay? It's very important. Okay. All right. Good luck. Bye.
Boss. Me patron nka me call market madam mama miskaba me nim ni amenua nti na me pese me bisa o say then na metimi aye amamu edi.
One can't tell you, Unia.
Me patron dabi.
She didn't tell you.
Me patron dabi. Ana minye ni favorite.
Of course, bibi there or no pese there ya openo.
Me patron.
You mean per case, me can't there me pa be our bar. She wouldn't like to eat it.
Patron,
you understand?
Patron.
So prepare her favorite. Yeah. So that we can all eat.
Patron, Mate.
So she can be pleased.
Patron. Any patron me kwaba.
Bra. Okra, what? Sewa, if you are from Sewa. What's the name again?
Mpacho. Sewa Akoto.
Sewa Akoto.
Mpacho.
Sewa ko school.
Mpacho, mi ko school. Mi ko SS.
Oko SS.
Mpacho.
Na identity sa adwumi na o ho ofe. You are a very beautiful girl. How come you are doing this maid servant job?
Boss. Asemo. Me papa be wuye.
Papa free.
Mpacho. Nti na me mama nso on sheda ni ahoden. Oni skaske ni fie. Nti no mentimi ntua school so. Misan konya boy bi, but boy nso no nka opeso oboa me ba wintimi amboa me. Eno ne agency na me de me ho akọrue mu na me de wa hande me ye bibi kakra me nso me de ba hwe fie.
I see. Because I've been wondering, seeing how beautiful you are. You're very hardworking. You're so matured. Indiana may dream. Okay, who the come market number?
You any me kwaba. Me dase.
Derek, who's you are some year over so catch?
But your wife.
My wife,
madam. Na saying on me, whom or attack me will be some questions. Na saying crowd there to me say, your point Juma and fundamental call. You quit Juma now. Me do I want me deaf here. I miss you. I thought I obey meeting, baby. Nadia, son. Adia, son, old office on the Mandaka. I say, in him, me come, Mamma, no secret to meet with Boma soon, left and right.
my wife.
Oh,
so what soon?
No, penny would the same if me, I'll bomb me, name my Boma soon saying, maybe you will be same. I think, ask them will be some, as a dear, make can be a.
Oh, how? And I didn't know it to me, sir. I don't feel say I'm cheating on her or what.
Say, no, any day I say, will be, I can be a chair.
Now, I know. What's the sign of a banner? Sign of a banner. Because we know fear. Me can't be beer on Tiasi. See, I even grass a while treaties our crampono. It's not right. Me no kodam pama. Ultimatum, pillow. No, I divide in panel. This is your kingdom. This is my kingdom. I mean, I don't understand. Why wouldn't I even go out there to look for a woman? As someone make a crampo, I needn't tell you all these things. I just say. But you don't worry. I'll talk to her. I know what to do. I just say. I know what to do.
Please talk to her.
I'll talk to her.
We didn't care only in Timas him no found Bobo many super penny Obama Sumsa. Send your name it's here no Pemasem TB near, but send your yemino. Ayana Afuno say.
Very good and yashi. Minembakasa. Why? Why? Minembakasa. Oh. Cynthia, Papa, you say now what about us?
Derek, it's high time you stop complaining about the food I give you in this house.
Oh, I don't know, sister. And the Juma me you no say at the end of the day said boss is kana on ready and now mommy the media na how I don't
How me say
e do yan ben na mommy the kiti ya o serve me no hwe me am so Juma me you fia now e do yan said e o serve boss me e do yan I don't
Derek we duane a me maun e do so mposi boss de
na wo skeni odidi baby ejuma me ye wo ejuma me ye ni enu nso aduane na wo so hwe na de ma me boss ejuma be no ye but your condition was sorry wa kwese office be dine wi aso pe paka ho wo soma me koto ade me de na call office wo soma me na me ba na be hwe me nso a wo be ka ho asem enya me de enu oh enya sa
na wo kika sa no what are you saying
enya me ha me de enu onya me de a enya me ha me de enu nti no wo so hwe me kakra na ye den
Derek, me see aduane a me ma e do so sin boss die.
Na me ka say na boss aduane die oba den na compare adwuma me ye na bi na boss ye.
Nti no pa che so obi a wa bra wa wenya ne sika ma me ma nti me fa me die nka ho. Me fa me diane na me die no me fa nka ho.
Wa bre. Nti say me die.
You are trying to threaten me.
Me threaten me threaten but the person man who say eduane no opa fe bi kan opa fe bi nka ho me ne boss be di nkomo later se me na me kosi
se oni ni be di nkomo se
me na me ni ko ejuma
me si se oni ni nti opa che se oni boss ko ba nti no wo be kwa akoka me ho asem boni bi a che boss
eno de obi nka se pudo nche ni junior
she bia what you are trying to say. That is the point you are trying to make right now.
Now which point again? Come eduane obi eyi sika obi eyi sika obi oye o di nu eduane be ma me bi di na no so your problem ma. Hey.
Menti was you. I don't understand you. Stop it, Jai.
Stop it. Stop it. O de me ni be di nkomo o de ko.
Really?
O ko me
ni waiting our friend me say me bra.
Ko o de ko me ni be di nkomo.
You pa.
Ene senti anasa asie wo aduane anyame ama odi ache wo free kwa no me bun kotodua pa otwa kamenu musem nyina o se dabi me yi meni me hu se menye o class e normal de boss nso yi sika ma se no ana no so yendi ni nso no so o ba be limit no u bon you sana de ba ateti ya ofem mo fie nyina ye bo waso na the speed bibi ni na the speed aba me che na aduane ma me aduane a me dia me ho beto me me de be yejuba na o ba be na ka we kra
Hey honey.
Hello.
But why will you leave me in the bedroom? Have it.
Oh, thank you.
Cheers.
I knew you definitely come out.
All right. Now soon you didn't come again.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, don't come out too serious, you know.
Oh.
You know, I love you so much, my dear.
Of course I know. I love you too.
You know, we've been living for a very long time now, and I've come to know you so much. We have become friends, and our relationship, I'm sure, would not get onto the rocks.
No?
Now, you know, sometimes the way I do understand relationships, see, I mean, relationship as you know, meaning say also no. Utia Sisa as my wife.
Yeah, of course.
Maybe you'll be wondering where I'm trying to drive all these things.
Yeah, as a person, can be chain. What do you mean? I'm chain. Like, what's up? Look to me. What is it? Talk.
Anyway, it's about the house.
You mean this house?
Yes. One is a yeah, 4 of here.
What do you mean by a year 4 of here? It's just you and I. And our servants and so. What are you talking about?
You know, these two have lived with us for quite a while now. If not a long time. What do you say? And Tre Professor Uma Daniel Bushian for. See any Derek Ete and I say me Derek T. See I made you soon near the mine. You're doing a ED, a media. Into no mean them before said they have become part of us. Into Anna sometimes say Anna unium casa uni omo tieti omo to the extent say even Derek go to me bonasum. I didn't know to me bon Derek asum. To me bonasum say me to me bisan in some say me call jumam na a conference be na me or very important meeting be na e be am by fientem now o bisan questions now go kasa so no asan bonasum account. It's not fair, my dear.
So what are you driving at?
Why are you asking me this question?
Why won't I ask you?
You don't need to ask me questions. Who will be some question already?
Now driver no adena or yeah man. One kasa, babe, I was at a gate for like 10 minutes. And I me honky, maybe son or catch him so share chire ho. What if say can Robbie say chasing me? Are you serious? Like what he did was wrong. It is my bonasum. I didn't know very important man also. Oh wow.
And he doesn't deserve a sumbo now. He deserve a sumbo. Oh, Papa asum sir. It's not fair.
Now, Obia Bonia, what will you do? What are you supposed to do to the person?
Oh, but it's not fair.
Wow.
He's a human being.
No, wait. You understand me? Who say menya issue fear hana se mene nkwa mene servants no enya issue ama what di machida. Is it that why you don't love me again or what?
When we started this discussion a moment ago, what was my first sentence? Can you remember?
Yes, you said you love me.
Of course.
And I don't think it's true. I don't believe this. These days, your attitude and your character, everything has changed.
Just because you do something wrong and I try to defend these two.
Oh, so now I am rather wrong. Me my bed na gates. I me honky for the past 10 minutes. I me business why you don't see cheer ho. Now me my bonasuma, you are telling me I am rather wrong.
It was because maybe he was doing something out there.
Oh wow.
Yeah. All I'm asking of you is just be kind to them. You know.
So are you
be
saying
kind
I'm
to
rude?
them.
So me I'm rude.
No, I'm not saying that, man. You are my wife. Even if you are rude and even you are rude even to me, what else can I do? I can still love. I can't leave you. We've been together for long, you know. Yeah, try check. Inti so ye bibia semi kra me ye bibi kra po na nya say one na obaka kire me.
You know what? It's okay. It's fine. I think say mama I didn't cry to me when I came and happy. Said, leave me alone.
Babe. All right. Cynthia. Via Bruno. Cynthia. When are you Bruno? Jesus, Cynthia pa. Via hawa. Via Bruno. Via Bruno. Cynthia. When are you Bruno? Umbia Bruno. Some fun and wondering about. I have plans for you.
Boss. Oh, idea sound.
Listen, ideas.
Aye.
Yeah. Come on, to prune more.
Oh.
A boom sound, person be.
And yeah, boss, guest room need the hole. Me prepare home now.
The guest room is okay. Can that damn on my bedroom?
Oh,
I don't know.
And yeah, boss, who bet me you sue me room honum, not me mother has say.
I mean, you do the nawada. That's not right.
Boss, who didn't hear? Idea, son, I say would that.
Minim sano.
Who you sue me honor, not me mother. Why?
I don't think it's a good idea. But the uncle now. Say even cross a phone crampon over there. I say there is not safe. Your uncle. Now, madam, me subai. happening with this? Oh, Sarah.
Boss.
But oh no, you don't have any problem.
Boss, who did that?
No, you don't have any. You can sleep.
Oh, boss, who did that?
Me manikum besem da. Menstru da.
Yo, boss.
Kwanshia kura beni. Me okay. Miniba. Me yirisui. Besemini ne da. Besemini ne da. Sawakoto. Mo fe why? Mo fe. Amini bai krampui. I'm fair with them in chain. And I mean try. And try. Maybe a dachi. Maybe a lay.
Boss Jai.
Sandra. That's wrong. Right.
Boss Dabi. Mr. Dabi. And now person me call that for man.
Dabi. Tobo, be calm. Be calm. What conditions are of here? What would they make from? So here.
Boss Dabi.
Be calm.
Mr. me poucho.
I know. Get up. Let's
boss,
talk.
Boss, me poucho.
You get up. I want to talk with you. I know you're matured. I know you can understand what I'm going to tell you right now. Okay? You know very well the condition that I'm going through in this house. You know the kind of treatment my wife has been giving me. You know very well I don't have any child. I need a child. Look at me, my dear. I'm nearing my grave. Shemiye. Miniba. Musica. Etime chao. Chapati. And upano. I'm not growing any younger. I've watched you for so long now. You're matured. You're beautiful. I want you to have my baby. Look at me. I know it will be difficult for you, but come to me. Come. Just come to me.
Sawa. I don't know soon.
Derek, I have to leave. I can't stay here.
Leave where? Leave where?
Send me free her.
Saying.
The Biana Madame ni boss come because of me. Derek, I can't be their source of breakup. I can't, so I have to leave.
Madam, the Okaso be the chia. Maybe penny more me deny with him bomb assume left and right. You all know that you and I know that we are here because of Daddy. Papa send you treating and you know how he treats us. You Okaso would dip at my mini chidia. You just leave here and then at the end of the day, why only sending your money why then? Then I would be best sort too.
Derek, I can't stay here. I can't. I have to go.
But weren't you the same person who said this is the only source of your income? How are you going to take care of your mother?
But what can I do?
Hey, but it was all tenacity. Now you man out to me, Shaman, mommy. Now they do boy fool call. What do you do? Me, mommy, no name do me. Obama soon left the right, you know. So, what you say? Just relax, work, so you'll be able to take care of mommy. So, mommy, we here.
Derek, I can't. I just have to go.
Hey,
I have to go.
Do my head in power. Here for my way at Tian Cacao, boy, I put me a medicinal hello.
So, and now Johnny Ofia. Open ya. Well, Aquaba.
You saw ya.
Na kwansu
Oh, wait, the bishop you. A question de bro. Boni bien.
Anyway.
Jam bisasa akole uni ni die.
Oh, so many natural. I had no naughty. And very early in the morning, be Naja. Or just packing in your market.
Or one
cramp.
The buy your body. Could I be few? Who said one done? I just said one. And we say Muswa or say Mr. Oakland, yes, sir. Opening and a crescent only in office yada. Oh, money how? I don't crowd that catch me. Money how?
Sir, oh, Patrick say on your manner.
Was in what done?
What done?
She's a one.
So you're pregnant?
Catch it.
Yes, boss.
Well, so we there sampa. Over.
Eh?
I have sampa.
Why you sampa?
Oh, I have sampa.
I sampa.
Over tubo over. Azemi mami kumi maule tie masam. Sawa wahano otiono. Oh, you're a very good girl.
Oh.
Very hardworking. Me dear, me perasampa. But me didn't drop.
Oh.
Me didn't die.
What bema?
Me didn't die. The country I say asempa. My nyina ni say. Me why muniba. Nanyi. Inti me mom die. Mo bia wo a metimi di ama sawa die. Enya dey be difficult for me at all. Inti se onyimpa se wo ba wo me ba. Aden. Me ntimi njan no sa. De metimi aye no, mo yama no. Bibi o pebia, bibia mo bibia mo pebia, mayamamu. Because I have the money.
Say what jet to say ampa uninanyam.
Yes.
You so open.
Now see you have identified your identity.
I've done that. Yes. I have identified my identity.
Yes. What mama who said we bemba. Umpim kochi, upim ko onim.
You Sawa. You yourself, you know the condition in which I am. You know that I don't have a child. So if you are really pregnant, which I know is for me, let's all be happy. Girlie, a band critical, so
that's a song. That's a mimra. That's a come. Opening. What mama so bema. What is yati we no ni man so bia twe. The other say baba ya mamre.
Yo.
Afi ye de yi ati.
Yo. Midawasi.
Derek.
Hey! Ha! Come, I feel it though.
Hey, Derek.
Look at you.
Look at me.
Hey! Until this we free.
Oh.
I told you not to go. Look. Maybe what yes, I I told you not to go. Now look, I'm all alone. They be an age now. So what for me?
My femo into na maba.
What for? Yeah, now what for me?
Derek, me say my femo into na maba. But you don't understand. Don't worry.
Then make me understand.
No, you don't worry. We'll talk about it. Then Echo.
My feel.
You're looking good, though.
Oh, same hustle.
Hey.
Let me dear man.
Hey.
Let me attack boss near money, dear man. It's the same hustle now.
Sir, I hope so everything is fine. But you're looking good.
Oh.
Bra. My name is Wafane Bye. Brian.
You came with your uncle?
Yeah.
You're looking
good. Hey, would you concert? So what family? Who be concert? Now then, I would be Derek. You're looking good.
You're looking good, no?
Hey.
Oh yeah, sure. Me go so. Now I hope the last can I'm sending Osaka. Now over. What pay? Well, that's a BBI okay, there, that's all. But last, let me say, even Krana me your plan say, make sure driver be na. I say be our baby sana na yedoko. A special driver. Every time or homo. Maybe I will be audio. My name is almost Risao. Okay. Matthew Kenya is okay. Yo. Oh, Moshe Musi. Also, yo. Why? Yeah, okay. Oh, you, Mati. Okay. You're okay now. Bye.
And who are you talking to?
In this case, meaning business partners, oh, but no, these are questions. So hey, babe, come here. Babe. Well, lawyer, that's the part with me about at a short notice. Recently, my ejuma, and I have fortunately acquired some properties.
Oh, okay.
Adding to what I already have.
Okay.
In this session, my property is not also.
Wow.
The grunty I'm for session say because my property is not also,
Okay.
Person me change will no.
Okay. As in make some changes.
Yes, some changes because I have acquired some other properties beyond they are old ones, Okay. Into the beneficiaries, I think I'll have to do some adapts.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Okai, I mean, it's your legal rights. Since I always sound minded there, any problem there, and it's my duty to advise you on it, but then need to take a decision now. So, would you like to meet you at the office and I say, member Fiena?
Sir, no, I think you meet me in the office.
Okay.
At least about office now, saying if we need anything around the office, you meet me.
Okay.
And on Monday I have an appointment in Tuesday.
That's Tuesday morning.
Tuesday,
let's say 10 a.m.
10, 11,
yeah, sure.
Between 10 and 11, I'll be in there.
Sure.
Why?
I'll be there.
That's it. That's
I mean, you don't have to say thank you.
No, I don't have to. You've been my lawyer for how many years now?
I know.
Yeah. Your chambers, in Tiamwa chambers,
I know.
have been so good to me for all these years. And I do appreciate, okay?
You're welcome.
Cheers,
sir.
cheers.
Cheers. So, Tuesday, 10 a.m.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yes. So, I'll take my leave.
All right.
But you know what, Mrs. Amami?
Oh. I said, Mrs. Upigrambo and Ganjam. No, Nina, that phone. But anyway, Obama Ganjam.
Okay. All right, but that's it.
You know your way out?
Yes, please.
Beautiful.
All right, thank you.
What has come over this man? He has really changed towards me. First, I can't be here and then I'm trying to get it. But see, that's on family share. Pia Bontea or Pano Buffy. Sometimes cry, they will macra. Timmy Fro being on a casano moose, money back on any casa. Now, say, crony panny be. And now, has he find happiness in somewhere else? I have to find out what is going on. I have to look through this. I have suffered to get here. I will never let anybody take chances with me.
Yes. Until I'm from with them is throw. Now me per se me catch us me hear my dream me hear plans say my 3-bedroom house be a mamu. No more try. Because anka minyanka otiminchen because sebi akwara ndie me pese okipi akwara no me mani je akwara no owuma me a mepe inti no se bibia mbehi akwara mbu no mure muma me masunte. I'll let you have it. Anything at all you need, I'll do it for you because it's so important for me. Yes, baby, no. Very important. You know, I say because of conditions, now I say me put dabi. I want that baby and I want Zawa to be very safe and secured. You are uncle. We only knew of her until me very well say you can take good care of her. So I know, but I can assure you, sir, you don't have any problem. You don't have any problem. Into the ma waning koni na sumami. In about a week's time, a dino be ready, mama. Why? I'm move into it so that you all feel comfortable because me bandy ban over woman be say only in a very comfortable environment. Sure. Oh, Wafa, we do your mamma. I would like it so much. Why? We are with mamma. Why be mammy? Me that's it. But your chan mommy, why? Chan mommy. Okay. What do you mean can be? Yeah. Bye.
Yankasa. Say a man kasankasa the obi ohwa. What's the sound near me few matrimonial room? Akogu guest room. Also, who is your boss talking to? Is your boss seeing someone? And where did your boss sleep last night? And one unnecessary questions in Kwan. Also, sound near my kuku guest room. Put them in by this time. Cry divorce, cry bananka. Nipa hupaton wufia. No nipa hupaton wufia ne a cake can and net the baby in your office. Others were mafia and a pound. Ese saa netie na oni be ma wo ho na o ye be ma de sese de oni akwala na wo ho no ma na o tie na de obeke bia o ye ya se on na on chen me first na minim se bia papa no e bia ne ho ni ho ana bia se ba me atete na because boss oni obi kasa wo phone so nyina se ne hu ni wan kasa onko baby fufuro good. The nyame krase. The nyame has your own food before cramba number. Now, mammy will cry the some demon bill said them at a team. Me, nipa me, I'm a team baby. I'm a woman out in my besha. Say, boss call baby. Boss, dear, me regulating. No, me, I'm a chain baby uncle. Charlie, I'm on far more problem. The same when I'm away and I'm with Jaya Munjay.
Sorry. Small. Maybe small. Sorry. Hurry here. Let me open the gate for you.
Madam. Asha me who say but for how long? This no eyo nyina ya make say men na me dada eyo bia ya hwe say ne me papa itie ye ko edwuma futu tumefo abrabom se ne nema betimi ayi ya mame uni we eye me yasun obi ya so benden wakoye ne but penny for crazy yesu cry jai see madam Pacho. Just calm yourself down. Yes, sir. Udi ni say na o nom kakra na usu na ofi odi akwakwa kotoa no. It's
Mr. Okai will be there mentally. That's a brand of Boateng that day. Which have been quite more as is having a day. The part of me was and would see a baby behind you. Who calls about Smoke? Who calls that whatever I say? Is that there?
Madam, now betray. Obia ni mse na upe. Udo no dana woman.
Okay. Let me come here. Then part of the video was as why would you say me the other for me the obia cow?
Madam, so why? Send him a neighbor at Nachi. Mini baby ako. Mini one over handy. When Cassa account kwa. Ibi near me ho a band Juma Bia. Send him a note here now. Ibi Guswatina. Menko. Madam, when I make us a susunum now, Unuma one shall not go for Yari for Samba. Eh?
Mama lawyer. Me pasha wo na say my husband will there. Who buried there? I am in the bush for now. Say what around na. Bonsam na ni papa you mo friend fa. Omoji den wa ha.
Mrs. Okai, yes. Oh, all right, sir. Obusa question way. But the late Mr. Okai, and wish say before I may be envelope piano. I was say wa any ni wofa. Etse. Aha. And sana. Yati envelope piano. Into be sure a sealed. But your late husband a wish. Wadaroma.
This man will never change. Go ahead, I'm all ears.
That's what I say. Enti me pacho before I met will ya no na makan no. Me pe say wa wo hwe say envelope no bi amfa ne nsan kan. Na wo de ma wo fa, na wo de ma Mrs. Okan. Mu nyina mu nya mo ho nti ase se ye nte ano a na mate ano na makan. Hwe ba bia ye se ye mbie ya. Pacho, Obiayo, okay.
Oh,
meeting at here.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so as the will reads, Mr. Okai, adding 10% of the overall properties are in the family. 50% of the overall will, that's the properties ni na efa 50% e koma ne ba Enoch Okai.
What? Why na Enoch? From where? Babe ma ben. Uti fia babe ma bi wo fia ha. Na sa wo madam lawyer kwa woni say babe ma bia wo fia say. What are you talking about? Babe ma ben. Me ne me husband ye ni ba bia wo ba bia. Enti babe ma bia asem na wo ka wasem.
And it's what you do.
Robin Omumudi. Kasa mete.
Okay. And 50 has gone to Enoch Okai. Now, 30% is for Mrs. Okai. 30%.
Me 30%. Oh, me 30%. I'll grow with this. Me too.
And the remaining 10% is for Sewa. Or the Sewa or Tihe, the mother of his son.
What?
Enoch.
What's it name? 10% of my Sewa. Wait. And I Sewa for baby, Sewa for baby, Anna. When I Enoch now, can I say the mammy? Oh, I feel I'm here. Wow. I come into the moon. It's not the piano, the what you know. Say now on the moon in the moye. You know what? Now listen, hey, three of you, listen, especially you, Madam Lawyer or whatever you call yourself. Listen and listen carefully. So what's the winning mumra? Match your semi swimming mumra. Chrome mumra waha. Emra will chrome. I say, walk baby, who shoot me like I am. Walk baby. Abba have any money by Sammy Kunu. Hey, Madam. Musori. You hear from my lawyers. Get out. Musori. Sorry. Get out. Get out. Hey, Penny. Here. Miss Pierre. Madam, get up.